Do you want to build this cool activated switch? Well, stay tuned because we're going to show you now. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing project 3 and 4. We're going to be doing 3 first, and it's sound activated switch. And remember, we are doing this Snaps Circuits Extreme from Elenco. So let's get started. To start things off, we will have to put it just about like this. Then we first have to put the 5 snap wire, put it on the top row, all the way down to A. There. Then we have to put the snap wire 3, like right about there and there. So the sound can go through there. Then we need this whistle chip, which is very important in this situation. Then we are going to need 4 snap wire and put it down here. And then we're going to put a 2 right there. Then we're going to put another 2 right there. But to make it work, we're going to need a slide switch there. But you might be asking, where is the sound going to come from? And that's why we have the speaker. We are going to put the speaker right there so it would stand up and you guys could see. We're going to also need this, which are wires. And this wire we got to put on the sound box right there. Then we bring it all the way down here. Then we're going to need the black one, and we're going to go on the 5 and then attach it right there. Then we need to put the batteries to make things work. Okay, we're good. So 3, 2, 1. It works. But that's not all. It also says that if you get like a small pencil and you poke this right here, like this, you get to poke and it works. But it does, if you don't have anything to poke it with, you can just do this. You can clap real loud right next to it and it'll work. If you build Project 4 by looking on the manual, it will look exactly like this. But I've changed one thing. Did you catch it? Yeah, that's right. Instead of putting the resistor, I put this wire. The reason I put that is to compare how it changes. Here's without the resistor. Now let's see if you get the difference. Now it is with the resistor. Did you notice? If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and tell me in the comments if you liked it with the resistor or without. Thank you for watching. Bye!